everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very beautiful session, that is how to start speaking English at the start. Okay, you're an English beginner. Do you really want to speak English? Then this session will be very helpful for you people. So stay connected with me till the end. Okay, friends? So I can understand, see, starting to speak English as a beginner can be very exciting and even challenging. So, but the right approach, if you follow, you can do anything, friends. So you can make a steady process. So today I am going to share some useful steps for you that will be helping to start speaking English. Okay, friends? So let's get started. The first and foremost step we have to do is learn the basic vocabulary. Okay, you have to start with everyday words that can be used in simple conversations. See, firstly, you have to focus on common nouns. Common nouns may be like example is like a book, table, food. These are what common nouns. These are the common things we may have known this. So you have to focus on common nouns and verbs. Okay. Verbs. Example of verbs I can give as eat, sleep, or run. Okay. And we also have to focus on the adjectives. Example I can give as a big, small, cute girl. So adjective here is cute. Happy boy. So what is the adjective here? Happy. So we have to include this common nouns, verbs, adjectives in our day-to-day life. Okay, friends? So this will be our first step. You can also use the flashcards or also use the apps like Duolingo or Anki to help you memorize words. Okay, friends? So this was our first step. So the second step we should know is learn basic phrases and sentences. Okay? Start by learning simple phrases like hello, how are you? Or you can tell what is your name. Don't use big words. Simple phrases, simple sentences. I hope everyone today will be knowing this small phrases. If you don't know also, nowadays you're seeing so many videos in different languages also. We use the simple sentences like hello, how are you? Or what is your name? Or I don't understand. Simple words. Okay, where is the bathroom? These sentences or phrases will help you begin speaking right away. Okay, friends? So, this was our second step. So, the next step will be we have to practice pronunciation. Okay, the third step is we have to practice pronunciation. We have to listen to the native speakers. Okay, you have to follow one native speaker either through YouTube videos or podcast or language apps. Okay, whatever it is, you have to practice the pronunciation. Okay, repeat what you hear. Okay, and which will improve the pronunciation and get the familiar with the English sounds. Okay, if you're an English beginner, you will not be knowing each and every word, but you have to practice. You have to listen to the native speakers and then you have to practice yourself. Don't worry too much about what others will think or you are wrong at that moment. Yes, you may be wrong at that moment. You may make mistakes at that moment. What is your goal? The goal is to communicate. Okay, today you are not speaking well, but tomorrow you may speak well and you will definitely speak well. You should have that confidence within you before starting to learn English. Not only English, in all aspects, not only in learning English language, even in anything, whatever you want to do, you should not hesitate. Okay, you shouldn't bother about others. You have to listen to your inner soul and you have to learn. So, this was our third step, that is, we have to practice the pronunciation. So, the next fourth is practice speaking daily. So, friends, We have to try to practice, okay, English, whatever it is. If you little also, whatever you know, you have to start speaking. You have to find opportunities to practicing English, okay. Even if it's just to by yourself, try reading loud or talking about your day in English. This is very simple, right? If you don't have a partner also, you can go and stand in front of the mirror in a room, okay, see that nobody is there, okay, and you can also start speaking there. If you have done mistake also, nobody, it's yourself only. Yes, you can do mistakes, but you have to try reading aloud or talking about your daily life. If possible, speak with others also who are learning English, okay. Mm, so this was our fifth step. So, sorry, this was our fourth step. Now, let us move on to the next step. That is, we have to focus on listening. See, listening helps you understand how sentences are formed, okay, and which will improve your pronunciation, okay. See, daily you have to listen. You can also watch like movies, songs. If you listen, watching and listening is very, very important here, okay. You can also use subtitles while watching the movies or listening to songs. You have to make it a habit of listening in English. Then you will learn how to phrase the sentences, how to phrase the sentences, and how to talk. You will be learning, okay. You have to then, after listening, you have to do the mimicry, okay, of the speakers, and pay attention how words are connected in sentences. Okay, friends, I hope you have you're understanding this. So now the seventh or sixth step I can say is learn the grammar slowly. So first of all, firstly, you will not be knowing grammar. Just you want to learn English, you have made that plan that you have to learn English. Okay, never mind. Slowly, first what you should do is you have to go step by step. In one day or in 1 month, you can't learn everything, but you should have some consistency. Okay. So after starting months, starting over 1 or 2 weeks, you can't learn grammar. Okay. So starting, or you have if you have made this plan, then you can do it, friends. So after the listening, so you have to learn grammar also. Start with the basic sentences like structures, simple sentences like future tense, what is past tense, how to use sentences in your past tense, future tense, and also what are articles, then what is a part of speech. Okay, don't get overwhelmed. Just try to use the correct grammar in simple sentences. Okay, as you're practicing, you have to use very simple sentences, and also you have to pay attention to the grammar there. What is the verb there? Which tenses I am speaking, or what I should speak next. Then you should learn grammar like this way. Okay, in this way. Then next step is be patient and persistent. See, not only in learning English, in any work, whatever you want to learn, you should be patient and persistent. Okay, friends. So learning a language takes time. It's okay. You will make mistakes. You should not be afraid of making errors. This is a part of the learning process. So yes, human beings are error. We make mistakes, but the mistakes only we are going to learn. So we have to be patient and you have to be persistent. You have to set some goal. Okay, friends, you have to set some goal, like learning 5 new words in a day, or making a short conversation in English. You should know, you don't have a partner also, no need. You can do it by yourself only. Okay, friends. So being patient and persistence is a very, very good step in learning English. Okay. So the next step I can say is you should have fun with the process. Okay. See, watching movies or listening to music, um, or playing language learning games in English can make English fun and engaging as well. Okay, the more you enjoy the process, the more motivated you will be. Okay, to keep practicing. So you should not be boring, or you should just for the namesake you are learning. No, if you have that one in your mind, then you will never learn. Or if you're learning just because someone is telling you to learn, no, this will not work. If you're really serious about learning English, then you should make the process really funny and fun. Okay, the more you enjoy the process, the more motivated you will be. Okay, friends, so by taking the small steps every day and practicing regularly, you will improve your English and build your confidence as well. Okay, friends. So today I'll be stopping till here. I hope you are understanding the session. Okay. Then if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.